I'm going to show you how to replace the master window switch on Volvo. Remove the cover to the mirror base, like so. Second, peel the handle plastic cover off. Undo two 25 torque screws. Remove the body push clips by pushing the pin in, like so, and pry it out. As you can see, it's very nice design on Volvo, so easy to remove. They never usually break. Push it in, like so, and just pull it out. There's a few more all the way around the door cover. I like to pry it from underneath, not on the front of the panel. Make sure it won't leave any marks. Pry the panel out by hand, so, as you can see, it came off. And disconnect the door lock cable, or the two little clips will come off. Disconnect the little speaker connector. There you go. As you can see, this connector has a plastic tab. You just push it in, press it, and pull it out. Don't pull the wire. Then disconnect the blue and gray connectors to the master switch. As you can see, a little tab on the back. Same thing with the gray guy. Push it in and pull it out, and your panel is good to go. Here's the one more torque screws to take it off. There you go. Get it out. Installation is opposite to removal. Push the new one in, like so. Make sure it fits. Put the torque screws back. And now we're finally is ready to install our door panel with a new master window switch. The installation is always opposite to removal, and first we're going to connect our electrical. One connector. There's a connect all those connections for power windows, for your mirrors. So many things to control, door locks. Okay, we just can connect your little tiny speaker. This is a cute one. And also we need to connect our door lock cable. You connect the door lock cable. Make sure it goes the same way which it came off. You see it has a little slot at the back. Put it like this and push it in, click. You can check, make sure it's working. So pull on this handle. Put our button through. Okay. So let it just hang like this. We want to check, make sure everything's working before we'll put those clips. Check, make sure everything's working. Oh yeah, it's going up and down. That's all good. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope it helped you. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave it down below. And have a great day. Thank you so much.